Gentlemen, imagine if olive oil combined with natural ingredients could boost testosterone without pills, supplements, or complex diets. I'm Dr. Sofia Carter, a urologist with a decade of experience. Today, I'll show how this simple 5-minute at-home mixture can naturally raise testosterone, protect your prostate, and restore your drive, energy, and strength. Stay with me until the end, because I will also share how and when to take this mixture for maximum results. Before we get into the recipe, let's talk about why testosterone is so important. Testosterone isn't just about sex drive. It is the hormone that keeps your muscles strong, your bones dense, your belly fat low, and your mind sharp. It even affects your mood, your energy levels, and how motivated you feel every day. The problem is that after the age of 50, testosterone levels decline naturally by about 1% per year. For some men, it drops even faster due to stress, poor diet, lack of sleep, or chronic health issues. Low testosterone doesn't just reduce desire. It also makes erections weaker, recovery slower, and energy almost non-existent. Here's the good news. Research has shown that lifestyle and nutrition can restore testosterone production in many men. And one of the most powerful tools is olive oil combined with the right natural boosters. Let's start with the foundation, extra virgin olive oil. And I'm not talking about the cheap refined bottles you find on discount shelves. High-quality cold-pressed olive oil with its natural golden color and rich aroma has been a staple in Mediterranean cultures for thousands of years, valued not just for its flavor, but also for its contributions to health, vitality, and longevity. Modern scientific research is now confirming these traditional beliefs. Olive oil is packed with beneficial monounsaturated fats, which are crucial for supporting heart health and hormone production rather than harming them. These healthy fats provide the essential building blocks your body needs to produce testosterone. It's important to remember that testosterone is derived from cholesterol, and the type of fats you consume directly influences whether your body has the right raw materials to efficiently synthesize this vital hormone. When you feed your system with the clean, healthy fats found in olive oil, you are giving it the fuel to make more of this vital hormone, but that's not all. Olive oil is also rich in polyphenols, powerful plant antioxidants that calm inflammation. Why does that matter for testosterone? Because inflammation in the testicles can damage the Leydig cells, the very cells responsible for producing testosterone, by reducing this inflammation. Olive oil acts like a shield, protecting your testosterone factories and keeping them working smoothly. There's more. Research has shown that men who consume olive oil regularly don't just have higher testosterone. They also have higher levels of luteinizing hormone. This hormone acts like a messenger signaling your body to produce testosterone in the first place. Luteinizing hormone acts as the essential spark for testosterone production. Olive oil helps maintain this spark's strength. Surprisingly, the first ingredient to mix with olive oil is garlic, often overlooked as more than a mere flavor enhancer. Yet garlic is a potent natural medicine found in your kitchen. Garlic contains allicin, a unique compound that forms when a clove is crushed or chopped. This compound is crucial for men's health as it directly reduces cortisol, a stress hormone that stealthily undermines testosterone. This is significant because cortisol and testosterone are adversaries competing for dominance in your body. The higher your cortisol levels, the less room there is for testosterone to thrive. Stress, lack of sleep, and daily pressures all drive cortisol up, and when that happens, your energy, libido, and performance take a dive. Garlic flips the balance back by bringing cortisol down. It frees your testosterone to rise naturally without pills or artificial hormones, but garlic doesn't stop there. It also improves blood circulation by making your arteries more flexible and reducing blood pressure. That means more oxygen-rich blood can travel easily through your body, including to your pelvic region. And as you know, circulation is the lifeblood of erections. When blood flows better, firmness improves stamina, increases, and sensitivity returns. Imagine the combined power of garlic and olive oil. Garlic, a natural stress reducer and blood flow enhancer, merges with olive oil, known for its anti-inflammatory properties and hormone production support. This blend creates a simple yet potent daily remedy, acting as an anti-inflammatory, circulation-boosting, and hormone-balancing powerhouse that works in harmony with your body. The method is straightforward. Always crush or chop a fresh garlic clove and allow it to sit for approximately 10 minutes. This brief pause activates the garlic's beneficial compounds, significantly increasing its potency. Afterwards, stir the activated garlic into a tablespoon of high-quality olive oil and consume it with your dinner. Not only will you enhance your meal with a burst of flavor, but you'll also be giving your body a natural shot of testosterone-friendly nutrition. The second ingredient is fresh lemon juice. This simple citrus fruit is far more powerful than most people realize. Lemon is loaded with vitamin C, and vitamin C is one of the best antioxidants you can give your body. It shields your testosterone-producing cells from damage caused by free radicals and everyday stress, but its benefits don't stop there. Vitamin C also plays a role in regulating blood sugar, which is critical because blood sugar spikes and crashes can throw off your hormone balance and suppress testosterone. When your blood sugar is steady, your body can focus on producing hormones properly instead of constantly fighting imbalances. Lemon juice also supports nitric oxide production, the very compound that relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation. Better circulation means more oxygen, more nutrient delivery, and stronger, more reliable erections. In this way, lemon isn't just refreshing, it's actively supporting the same systems that fuel your performance. When you combine lemon juice with olive oil, something remarkable happens. The healthy fats in olive oil actually enhance the absorption of vitamin C and other antioxidants, giving your body an even stronger shield against inflammation. Together, they cleanse your arteries, lower harmful inflammation, and create the perfect environment for testosterone production to rise. And here's the best part, you don't need much. A simple teaspoon of fresh lemon juice mixed into your olive oil is all it takes to deliver these benefits. It's quick, natural, and easy to make part of your daily routine. The third ingredient is ginger. For centuries, this humble root has been treasured in traditional medicine across Asia and the Middle East as a natural vitality booster. People once used it to spark energy, fuel, stamina, and restore male vigor. Today, modern science is proving that those ancient healers were onto something remarkable. Ginger is a powerful, natural anti-inflammatory that can significantly boost testosterone levels. Chronic inflammation is detrimental to testosterone production as it damages Leydig cells in the testes. Ginger's anti-inflammatory properties protect these cells, enabling optimal function. Beyond protection, ginger actively increases testosterone. Studies on men with fertility issues have shown that regular ginger supplementation can raise testosterone levels by up to 17%. This remarkable increase is particularly noteworthy given that ginger is a common, safe kitchen spice. How does ginger pull this off? It improves blood sugar control, preventing the highs and lows that can suppress testosterone production. It also enhances blood flow to the testes, ensuring that these hormone-producing cells are well-nourished with oxygen and nutrients. And finally, it acts as a powerful antioxidant, shielding the delicate structures of the reproductive system from oxidative stress. Together, these effects create the perfect internal environment for testosterone to rise. When you mix ginger with olive oil, you're combining two ingredients that complement each other beautifully. Olive oil provides the healthy fats needed for hormone production, while ginger adds the protective circulation, enhancing spark that keeps those hormones flowing strong. This synergistic blend can boost men's energy, desire, and confidence. To prepare, add half a teaspoon of freshly grated ginger or quality ginger powder to your olive oil mixture. The bold, earthy flavor pairs well with garlic and lemon, creating a combination that is both flavorful and functional. Another powerful combination is turmeric with black pepper. Turmeric, a golden spice common in curries and traditional medicine, contains curcumin, a potent natural compound beneficial for male health. Curcumin's strong anti-inflammatory properties are more significant than often realized. Chronic low-level inflammation is one of the silent killers of testosterone. It doesn't always cause pain, but it quietly damages tissues, stresses the testes, and disrupts the delicate balance of hormones. When inflammation runs unchecked, your testosterone-producing cells can't work efficiently. Curcumin helps by cooling this fire. It lowers inflammatory markers throughout the body, protects your hormone-producing cells, and even helps balance estrogen dominance, a problem that creeps up in many men as testosterone falls and estrogen rises with age. But here's the catch on its own. Curcumin is poorly absorbed. To truly benefit from turmeric, black pepper is essential. Black pepper contains piperine, which increases curcumin absorption by an astounding 2,000%. Without it, turmeric's effects are minimal. This combination is crucial for testosterone because it reduces inflammation and restores hormone balance. This allows your body to efficiently produce testosterone, maintain flexible blood vessels, and support sexual performance. You'll not only lower inflammation, but also unlock your body's natural capacity for increased strength, drive, and firmness. Again, the recipe is simple. Mix a pinch of turmeric with just a dash of black pepper into your tablespoon of olive oil. The healthy fats in the olive oil act as carriers, helping curcumin travel into your bloodstream more effectively. The combination may taste earthy and spicy, but it is one of the most potent natural remedies you can add to your daily routine. Now let's put this all together into one simple recipe that can fit easily into your daily life. Start with a tablespoon of rich extra virgin olive oil into that. Add one fresh garlic clove that you've crushed and allowed to rest for about 10 minutes. So its allicin is fully activated. Squeeze in a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice for its vitamin C and cleansing effect. Then stir in half a teaspoon of ginger, whether freshly grated or powdered, to add its testosterone boosting kick. Finally, sprinkle in just a pinch of turmeric along with a tiny dash of black pepper to unlock its full potential. Mix everything thoroughly until it blends into a smooth golden mixture. You can take it directly as a quick shot before dinner, or if you prefer, drizzle it over a salad, vegetables, or even use it as a dipping oil with bread. The healthy fats in the olive oil act like a delivery system, helping your body absorb and make full use of all the nutrients from the other ingredients. The timing is just as important as the recipe itself. The best moment to enjoy this mixture is in the evening, ideally with your dinner. That's because testosterone production peaks while you sleep. During sleep, your body actively repairs itself, restores functions, and generates hormones. By consuming these specific ingredients before bed, you provide the essential building blocks and protective compounds needed to optimize testosterone release overnight. Consistent use for a few weeks often leads to noticeable improvements for many men. You may experience more stable energy levels throughout the day, a stronger and more natural desire, improved firmness and erections, and a general return to vitality. This is not a quick fix, but a natural process that over time can help you feel years younger and enhance both your energy and performance. Before we conclude, here are some bonus tips to further amplify your results. The olive oil mixture is powerful on its own. When you combine it with supportive habits, the effects multiply. One of the most important nutrients for male vitality is zinc. Without zinc, your body struggles to produce testosterone, and your prostate health can also suffer. You'll find zinc in pumpkin seeds, oysters, beans, and even lean meats. To optimize hormone levels, incorporate specific foods into your weekly diet. Magnesium is crucial for calming the body and counteracting high-stress hormones like cortisol, which can suppress testosterone. Excellent sources of magnesium include leafy greens such as spinach, a small handful of almonds, or a square of dark chocolate, all of which help maintain low stress and stable testosterone. Hydration is also vital for erections and hormone balance. Dehydration thickens blood, leading to sluggish circulation and impaired performance, especially when combined with alcohol. Therefore, staying well hydrated and consuming alcohol in moderation are simple yet often overlooked methods to naturally support testosterone and erectile function. When you combine these habits with your olive oil mixture, you create the perfect environment for your hormones to thrive. You're not only fueling testosterone production, you're protecting the very systems that make intimacy, energy, and vitality possible. Gentlemen, boosting testosterone naturally is not about gimmicks, shortcuts, or miracle pills. It's about giving your body what it has been craving all along: the right fuel, the right care, and the right balance. Olive oil paired with garlic, lemon, ginger, turmeric, and black pepper is one of the simplest, most effective, and most affordable tools you can use to reignite your vitality. So here's my challenge for you. Commit to this mixture every evening for 30 days. Coupled with adequate sleep, a bit of daily activity, and a few minutes of stress reduction, this consistent support will make a noticeable difference. You'll experience increased energy, restored confidence, and improved performance both in and out of the bedroom. This is Dr. Sofia Carter, wishing you health, strength, and vitality at every stage of life. Subscribe for more natural, doctor-approved tips. If this video was helpful, please share it with a friend who could benefit. Together, we can help men discover that age can be the start of a new chapter, not the end of strength, confidence, or passion.